Hello there, welcome back to Earth Days. Right now we have basically significant winter storm to be underway starting this evening really. Maybe probably early this afternoon it's gonna be starting to get underway. So we have many blizzard warnings across portions stretching all the way from the Delaware south, extreme south, eastern Maryland coast, going up until much of southern south coastal New Jersey, and as well when you get to the Cape Cod area, and those coastal areas stretching all the way up north into Maine. That's going to continue to be really a thing from here. So this is a really significant winter storm. Blizzard conditions are possible along coastal areas, which is definitely not a good thing. Um, so yes, but right now seems like we're getting some snow. Some of this might be seeing some light snow showers. Doesn't really appear that it's really reaching the ground that much, or isn't really well. So yeah, pretty interesting to say the least. And it is included in blizzard warning. We have Atlantic City, heading further up north. Again, Cape Cod, Dark Cape, Plymouth, Boston, um, Gloucester, Portsmouth, and further even further north, Portland and Rockland, and probably gonna conclude Bangor or and then Bar Harbor, and but those two places right now are under a winter storm watch still. Probably turn to either a winter storm warning or a blizzard warning coming into the next, probably not too long from now. So interesting to say the least at this moment. So yeah, that's really it for watches and warnings. Again, it's gonna be underway probably in the afternoon hours, and probably heading to tonight and tomorrow. That's when the worst of it will be. And again, day two in the heavy snowfall, we have a high risk of seeing a foot of snow across portions of southeastern Massachusetts, and so that stretches into coastal Maine, and yeah, so quite a lot's going on right now. So, anyways, apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.